Okay guys, check this out, 25th year anniversary party, Kevin and Perry Benidorm. I actually have no clue where it is. 3 arenas featuring house, old school anthems, drum and bass and jungle. You got biggest British DJ lineup ever in Benidorm, with such DJs as Kevin and Perry, Tommy K, Nicky Black Market. I believe it's going to be at one of the Penelope nightclubs, probably the one at the back of Gypsy Lane, but that will be awesome guys. Sunday 9th of November 2025, 8 PM till 7 AM. Jesus Christ, that's going to be a long night. Can anyone even actually do that? Like party from 8 PM till early in the morning? I doubt I could.
Oh, that's because you're a queen.
Oh, really? And you could do that, could you? You'll probably walk out because it's the music you don't like. Anyway, yeah. No, it's like classic house anthems, like drum and bass, jungle.
That's what I said, 70s, 90s music.
Sort of.
That's what it's all about, mate.
Whatever. Anyhow, yeah.
Anyway.
Just walking down Med now. Mediterranean Apartments there. I don't know if they're finished yet or not. I don't think so, because they are still working on them. What used to be the old crazy golf course, guys, and the internet cafe there, wait for it, Jeff Maltby, the Oracle, first started talking to Leslie. Yeah, crazy, really. And now it's gone. They always seem to be building new apartments and hotels in Benidorm. Don't know why, don't we? Ain't as if we need any more. I think they are actually open now. I think people are actually living in them, so yeah, not bad. But do we really need more apartments? When I mean, just a couple of weeks ago there were a big new project announced, TM Apartments, which are apparently going to be bigger than the Intempo building and Grand Hotel Bali. So I mean, massive. Something you don't see nowadays, the Dino Park car with dinosaurs in the back. One's escaped. I'm evil to him, ain't I, guys? Anyway, before I forget, guys, if you do remember, a couple months back I done a little quick video about a new scheme appearing on YouTube to do with the memberships. The scheme was pretty much, if a creator signed up to that scheme and participated in it, they get a bit of money, moolah, dosh, which as soon as I heard that, I just thought, yeah, may as well have a look. Worked it out that me, for signing up to the scheme, I'll receive €300. Mike, for signing up, he'd get 100. So we both done it. And we both sort of started thinking, well, is it real? Is it not real? Will we actually see some money? And guess what, guys? We have. EIA, happy days. We received some money. I'll show you this as well. Filming taking place at Hotel Dom Poncho. I believe that is potentially for the new series, Channel 5 series, Death in Benidorm. Dun dun dun!
I've been deaf and Benidorm for ages, thanks.
Shut up, you. Anyway, a new sort of crime series, mystery series, set here in beautiful Benidorm, as always. Everything nowadays gets done in Benidorm. Benidorm, we're done in Benidorm. It's Nose in Benidorm, filmed here. That's going back years ago when I got to work with Timothy Spall, or, well, as you guys probably know him, Barry Taylor off Our Feed the Same Pet, or Peter Pettigrew off Harry Potter as well. Great actor, guys. Oh. Seems like buses are doing the usual thing, getting that full, they don't stop. Here's Frank's new Lambo, the Lamborghini Huracan LP610-4, 610 brake horsepower, guys, so pretty fast. I believe it's possibly a V8, I'm not entirely too sure. Sadly not got the scissor doors on like the normal Lambos, the cool ones, but still pretty nice. Nice yellow colour with yellow calipers. Pretty nice car, guys. Pretty loud as well, actually. Whether it shoots flames like some of your supercars tend to do, who knows, but still a very nice car, very low, and of course the perfect car for Benidorm, a convertible. I mean, imagine cruising around Benidorm in that on a boiling hot day. How are you? Not West time, come on. You've had your rest.
We've got about 10 minutes of that video now.
So, no I ain't. Anyway, we're going that way now. Come on. Okay, right. No, I'll end it here. I'll try and get that in background. No, not working. Anyway, guys, where am I? There I am. Hit the like, hit subscribe, and continue supporting the channel. See you next time.